Hi and welcome to Nextage tips and tricks videos. In this video I am going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing Solid Edge. In order to download Solid Edge we need to go to the Siemens website, and the easiest way to do that is by typing in support ugs.com, and that will redirect us to the Siemens website. Here we will go to the download and upload files item, and I'll type in my username and I'll press OK. And that will bring me to the Siemens download web server. I have several items here, but I will choose Solid Edge and full products and Windows 64-bit. Go to the version I would like to download, in this case ST10. I'll go and find the language I wish to download, and I wish to download the English version. So I'll press English, and that should enable me to save. I guess I'll come back when the download is done. So now the download has been completed. What I'll do next is open the folder in which it has been saved. In this case the download folder. This is in Danish, but in English it would be the downloads folder. So I'll have to double tap the download file. And this is a compressed executable, so it will just take a moment to unzip. And now it is extracting. And the Solid Edge install wizard has opened. So now I can go to the Solid Edge item and press OK. And that will start installing Solid Edge. So here I have to type in my company credentials. In the modeling standard I usually pick isometric, and you can also choose here to browse and pick up a license file. We don't have one right at the moment, so I'll just leave that to later. So I'll press I accept terms in the license agreement and press install. And the install has finished. Now this unzipping process can be quite time consuming, and if you have a lot of Solid Edge installations to make, this next little trick will save you a lot of time. While you still have the Solid Edge install wizard open, go to a Windows Explorer, and in the address field type in %temp%. That will place you in the temp folder. In the temp folder there should be a folder that looks like this, and if you go into this, here you will find the unzipped Solid Edge files. Copy this folder to your downloads, like this, and what you will find in here is the files from the extract file. Now you can close the Solid Edge install wizard, and you can run the install wizard from the DVD folder here. Much faster. Place this folder on a server and you can access it from all your clients. In my next video I'm going to walk you through the licensing process. Until then, have a nice day.